Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is John Mar Oro from BS and English 1. And my topic for this video is complement structure categories. In complement structure and categories, there are two categories, subject complement and the object complement. First is the subject complement. Subject complement is a word or group of words that follow a linking verb. The pattern is subject plus linking verb plus subjective complement, such as she is graceful. She is a subject, is a linking verb, and graceful is a complement which an adjective form. The complement could be a noun or pronoun, an adjective, an adverb, an function word, an infinite, and present participle. In other words, a subject complement can also be referred to a predicate noun, predicate adjective, or simply a predicate complement, depending on its form and function. It is a word or phrase that follows a linking verb and provides more information about the subject by either renaming it. The example is today is my day. Today is a subject, is a linking verb, and my day is a noun. Today is all there is. Today is a subject, is a linking verb, and all there is a function word. And all the subject complement can be formed in noun, function word, adjectives, adverb, verb, and infinite, and verb in the present participle. The next is the object complement. An object complement is a predicative expression that follows a direct object or state what the object has become. The pattern for this object complement is subject plus transitive verb plus direct object, such as I saw the baby sleeping. In this sentence, I is a subject, so is a verb, and the baby is sleeping is the object complement, where is sleeping is describing what the baby is doing. An object complement could be a single word indefinite pronoun, a single noun, an indefinite verb, phrase, a gerund, and a clause. An object complement can also be referred to a predicate or an objective complement. It is a word or phrase that provides additional information about the direct object after naming and describing it. Example, she feels something. She is a subject, feels is a verb, and something is an object complement, which is single word indefinite pronoun form. The object complement something describe what she feel. And the second, and she sees the pen. She is the subject, sees is the verb, and the pen is the single word noun, which is the object complement that describe what she see. And the third is she wants to write about it. She is the subject, wants is a verb, and write is an infinitive verb phrase. And the last is that she desire writing the story in Gerard form, and she knows what he is doing in Gerard form. An object complement is also a combination of an indirect and direct object. The pattern of subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object. Example, the judges award him first prize. The subject is the judges, the transitive verb is awarded, the indirect him, and the direct object is the prize. The second is the parents left me inheritance. The subject is my parents, the transitive verb left, and the indirect object me, and the direct object is the inheritance. Another structure of an objective complement is a combination of transitive verb, a direct object, and an object of the preposition. The pattern is subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus object of preposition. The another structure of an objective complement is a combination of a transitive verb, a direct object, and an object that prepositions. The pattern is subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus object of preposition. The judges award the first prize to him. Subject is the judges. The transitive verb is awarded. The direct object, the first prize, and the object of the prepositions to him. The second is my parents left inheritance to me. The subject is my parents. The transitive verb is left. The direct object is inheritance, and object of preposition is to me. And before I end this discussion, the comparison and contrast between subject complement and object complements is: the subject complements a word or phrase that follows a linking verb and gives more information about the subject of the sentence. It either renames or describes the subjects. An object complements a word or phrase that follows and modifies the direct object of a sentence, either renaming or describing it. And that's all.